and in this video we will learn third rule of the exponent. Let us take any exponent. We know this is an exponential form. Now, if we have a power to an exponential form, then how will that be solved? Just like this. This is an example. It means this bracketed portion is multiplied how many times? 3 times. Okay, let's see. 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 5. This is the rule of exponent. Now, what is the meaning of this? 2, 2, 2 and 2. This is the first bracket. Now 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. These 2's are multiplied by only 5 times. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now here you will see that how many times is 2 multiplied? 5 times, 5 times and 5 times. So therefore, if I write all these in combined form, one, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the expanded form of the exponent. How I can write this in the reduced way? I can write in just like this, 2 to the power 15. So what we see here, if 2 to the power 5 having the power 3, then what is the answer? We are getting the answer 2 to the 15. Okay, now here you will see that 5 and 3 are multiplied, so that without going under these multiplication or writing these steps, I can go directly to the answer by multiplying these two, this exponent and this power. That is 2 to the 15. Clear? By observing this pattern, we can deduce that if it for another example, say 7, 3 and this is 5, then what will be its answer? Its answer will be 7 to the 3 multiply 5, that is 7 to the 15. Clear? Okay. Now the main mistake the student do here, they normally make a mistake that these are multiplied and mostly they do these type of calculation, which is wrong. So it is wrong and this is right. Now this was the third law of the exponent, that says if we are given any power of an exponential form, then we will multiply the power and the power of the exponent. Okay, thank you. Student, in this rule we will observe a pattern that what happen if we have to find the power of the two rational number multiplication. Okay, you will see here the 2 and 3 are two rational number and they are multiplied and their combinedly power have 4. Now how we will solve this type of question? Okay, let's see what is the rule for this. This implies 2 by 3 is multiplied how many times? That is 4 times. 2. Now I will multiply 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now you will see 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2, 2 and 2, that is 2 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. And 3 is also multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 times. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 4 and this can be written as 3 to the power 4. So it can be written as we deduce a result from here that if it can be written as individually 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4 and they are multiplied. So I can write this 2 to 4 dot 3 to 4. Clear? Now this is the way how to find the power of the multiplication of two or more than two rational number. I will give another example. This is 7, this is 5 and this is 3 and they are multiplied and their power is 4. Now what will be their direct answer? 7 will be there in the answer how many times? As per this one, 4 times. So 7 power 4 multiply 5 is how many times? That is also 4 times. And 3 is how many times? That is also 4 times. So I can write it 7 4 dot 5 4 dot 3 to the 4. Okay. I can also clear a confusion in this type of question. I take example, if I am going to multiply 3, 2 and 5 to the power 6, then what will be the answer? Here the answer will be 3 to power 6 dot 5 to the power 6. Now again, as per the earlier rule, 2 and 6 both are powers, therefore we will multiply 6 multiply 2, that is 12, and 5 multiply 5 is a 5 to the power 6. That will no change here. Clear? This is the right way for the power for the multiplication of the rational number in the exponential laws.